A very good morning to all of you kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So kids, let's start our maths work. So in maths kids, we are going to do the statement sums, or you can say the word problems of addition. So hurry up, take out your maths book. It's page number 59. Yes, page number 59. Look at here kids. What is written over there? It's addition, and you know this is the sign of addition. This is the sign of addition. One standing line and one sleeping line. So addition means kid adding something, especially two or more numbers. So look at here. See, this is the word problem, or you can say the statement sum. In this kids, there is one problem and you have to solve this. See, there are 12 pencils in a box. So it means in a box, how many pencils are there? Look at here. 12. Yes. In a box, there are 12 pencils. After this, 4 more pencils are added to it. Yes. How many pencils? 4 more pencils are added to it. Yes. Will there be more than 12 pencils now? Yes. If we add something, then the number will increase. Yes, kids, on adding we get more. So if we add 4 more pencils, then how many pencils are there in the box now? Yes. What will you do? See, 1, 2, 12, it's a 2-digit number, and 4, it's a single digit number. In 12 pencil, if we add 4 more, yes, it means we are going to add number 4 in number 12. So look at here kids. How will you attempt this? See, T stands for tens here and O ones. Start from here. O ones, T tens. See, first of all, how many pencils are there in the box? It's 12. So write down 1 to 12. It's a 2-digit number. So write down 2 on ones place and 1 in tens place here. 1, 2, 12. Then after that, what you have to do? Add 4 more pencils. So put the sign of addition here. Yes. Now 4 is a single digit number. So we will write 4 on ones place. Now add this. Yes. So this is the way how, yes, this is the way you can solve this word problem. So hurry up. It's 2 plus 4. Yes. 2 plus 4. Yes. Keep 2 in your mind. Then add 4 after this. After 2, start counting. It's 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes. So you will write 6 here. And only 1 is there. Now add this 1. So how many pencils are there? 16. Write down 16 pencils. 16 pencils. Yes. So here you can write like this answer. You get the answer here. It's 16 pencil. Yes, kids. First of all, you have to do this work in your book. Then after that, do this work in your maths notebook.